Thanks for tuning in to another episode of The Mass Reader. I'm your host, Brittany Cooper. This week's Mass Reader will be reading pages from Firebird by Misty Copeland. See if you can guess who this reader is.
The space between you and me is longer than forever. You are the day and clouds and air. Your feet are swift as sunlight, stretching across the skyline like the day-long sun over the horizon. Me? I'm gray as rain, heavy as nap time, low as a storm pressing on rooftops. I could never hope to leap the space between. Darling child, don't you know, you're just where I started. Let the sun shine on your face. Your beginning's just begun.
So, this week's Mass Reader is, well, I'm not going to tell you just yet, but I can give you a clue. This person was played by Sandra Bullock on the big screen. Now, if you're watching on our YouTube page, please visit our website at memphislibrary.org. And if you are already logged onto our website, your job is halfway done. Enter who you think this person is, and if you're correct, your name will be entered into a drawing to win a $50 Amazon gift card. Meanwhile, stop by any Memphis library to pick up a free copy of Firebird while supplies last. Good luck!